Oh! Alright, what's up guys? It's KOSDFF here. Welcome to December 26th vlog. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Hope you guys are traveling safe heading home today. I actually drove back in the middle of the night last night to avoid traffic. Comment below, let me know what you guys got for Christmas. What was your best present? I actually got an electric drum set for the first time ever. I didn't tell my parents what I wanted for Christmas just because I just wanted to see what they would do. And of course, they came through in epic fashion because my mom's the shit. And she got us this electric drum set. The only problem is it didn't come with an amp, so I think we're all gonna pile into the car and head to Guitar Center and go see if we can get one of those cheaply. And then we're gonna do something I've been trying to do for a really long time, and that's to get somebody in this house to get another dog so Marble could have a friend. And I figured out that even I was really skeptical about getting a dog, and what it really took was going to the actual puppy place where you could go see all the puppies. You play with them, you always fall in love with one of them, and then you end up buying them. That's exactly how I got Marble. So we're gonna take Teddy there. If you guys didn't know, Teddy is the ultimate dog person. He loves Marble and he loves every dog that comes over here, and he even adopted Boots for a month and a half. So we're thinking he's our best bet because Crispy was supposed to get the dog and then a car, and instead he went and got his car first. So we're giving up on Crispy, but Teddy might still be able to be conned into getting a dog. So that is the plan. I can't believe you actually did it. I don't know if this can actually make it up a hill this steep. Oh God. Oh, it's struggling. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, dude, we're going for it.
Oh, dude. I'm almost worried for you. Holy fuck, you're doing it though. Oh!
Dude, the left side's really kicking in over here.
Dude, he actually did it. What a champion. Alright, now I feel like a fucking pussy. I don't think that one can do it. Shit. Oh, it's out of battery. That's why. It wasn't my skills. It was the board. Alright, this was my Christmas/birthday loot. I was serious. I want you guys to tweet me pictures of the stuff y'all got. If you guys didn't know, my birthday is really close to Christmas, and obviously they hold all my presents hostage until I go see them. So this is a combination of all the stuff they gave me. What are y'all doing? Some of the stuff they got me, including this massive gorilla. He was balancing, you were using the force.
I was using the force to try to make sure that it stayed still.
Yeah. And so the one thing you guys are really gonna get from this vlog is that my parents and grandparents know I like 4 things. Star Wars, animal crackers, ramen noodles, and apparently music, because they got me this massive electronic drum set. It's actually fucking so cool. I mentioned it earlier, but yeah, and this is actually it. We have fun setting that up. That's pretty much it. They got me a bunch of Star Wars stuff, a bunch of candy. They got me pots to make noodles, more than one. They also think I really like, was it Chef Boyardee? So they got me a bunch of Chef Boyardee ravioli. I told them I liked it in middle school. So apparently I still like it. They also got me this ancestry kit thing that my mom's actually super stoked about. I don't know if you guys have heard about this company. You basically spit into a tube, send it to these guys, and then they I don't know, decrypt your DNA. To be honest, I'm not really hyped about this. I think this is kind of stupid, but I'm gonna do it for my mom.
Yup.
This is something really cool. My sister got it for me. It's a pad to charge my iPhone. Apparently with the new iPhones, you can just set it on these charging pads, and it'll charge it wirelessly. Pretty dope. Jojo, are you guys coming out with us?
Yeah. Oh, these are so cute.
Yeah, look, they got me one of these too. But
oh my God, it's a giant gorilla.
Yeah, also got me a Nerf gun.
I saw this at the.
This man got a giant gorilla for Christmas plus.
Hey, move out of the way, Jojo.
Whoa.
Is that a grease gun? Bro, it looks like a grease gun.
Yeah, it does, look. Aw, what are you hiding for? It's a children's toy. Yeah, they got me a huge gorilla stuffed animal when I was 7.
And you fucked it every night until you were 15, yeah?
So they got me another gorilla because they didn't have anything to get me. So they got me Star Wars stuff, and yeah.
Oh my God, he's got nipples.
What?
Why are you groping it?
How did you find that out?
I was hugging him and then.
Oh, he does have nipples. Do you know who's behind you?
Oh my God.
CWL Dallas champion, MLG 2K finalist, Team Kaliber captain, Dylan Theory McGee. The champ! Nice of you to join us.
What, me and the dog just had a fully fledged conversation on why you are a fucking piece of shit.
No, for real. What do you do every time? Like, it's an actual thing. Like,
No,
you
I
and
had to get a vlog intro this time.
You and my dad are like the exact same. He was the same way. Whenever we would like attempt to go somewhere, he would find 9 million things to do before we actually got going.
Can't leave home without this neither. Essential.
Okay.
See, that's my down bitch. See, that's my soldier. She keep that thing. If anyone goes there, the comment collect.
Oh, my mom's calling. Hello?
Hey, buddy, this is Mom.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm driving back from Pupu's house. We left some stuff there, so I had to go pick it up. What are you doing?
I am in a car with all my friends. We're going to a Guitar Center to get an amp for the electronic drum set you got me for Christmas.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, can you take a picture of your stuff with the gorilla? Because Pupu wants to see it.
Okay, I will.
All right, bye.
Bye,
Hello
Mom.
to everybody.
Say hi.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's my mom. She's sweet.
The goat.
Oh my god, little did she know the gorilla has been dismembered and just
Oh shit, we're supposed to make a
destroyed
right
by
here.
everyone.
Lit. You guys see the actual building? Oh my god. Why is that? Who just put that water bottle there?
It's your one.
That is cold as shit. Did you put it right here on the center?
It was there when I got into the car.
Oh my god, that was cold.
Why you are a fucking piece of shit.
No. You see this whole dark spot? I don't even see it. It's like fucking marble pissed on my leg. Reach into your inner tribal nature. See, this is what I got basically. So like when we set it all up, it'll like make the sounds, but we need to get the amp. I don't know. Welcome to your lives, literally for the next like 4 months until I get bored of this.
Welcome to Mo's!
The question is, Dylan, should I get like a speaker this big? No?
Swirl it within the thing like that.
Yeah. So, and then you just hold your hand still up.
I have no idea how you're doing that.
It's the only skill I have that's close to being a good drummer. Teddy'd be good with a cowbell.
That would be great with the cowbell.
Alright, looks like we're gonna get one of these amps because I honestly think these are made for like drum sets or electronic drum sets because they have more bass. There's like a subwoofer in it, internal subwoofer. You can kind of see it. It's an Aborigine thing, so you turn it upside down.
Make rainfall.
Makes
No fucking way, bro. I thought he was a dildo, mate. See, the thing about all this is you can
It sounds like an old school video game.
Dude, these things are crazy.
See, this is like right before you slay the dragon in like the 8-bit games. That's actually fucking lit. Oh, you actually know how to play? No, I don't know how to play. It's because you're Asian, huh? Your parents made you learn a musical instrument when you were younger?
Yeah, but I forgot everything.
Oh, did the beat go off? Hey, turn the music up for me, Chris. That's for you, Teddy. You serenaded me. Gatorade. Is that Chaos behind you? Chaos!
It's out of 2.
Supreme scummed off. Yeah, grab the pink one. Looks
Pink
lit.
one? This is a little kid's guitar.
Next to my girl, what's up?
Oh.
Why didn't you bring her with you?
Yeah.
We like always seeing the fam.
Well, Freddie Prinze Jr., what's your excuse?
Yeah, I don't try to make excuses.
He's wearing Yeezys. He's got all the excuses.
Bro.
Play Stairway to Heaven. Remember when Chaos said he was going to learn Stairway to Heaven in 6 weeks? Yup.
You guys missed it. I originally had JoJo carrying it. It was funnier when she was doing it. Hilton, such a good guy. Such a good guy. All right, to the puppy place. No. Hello? Scooby?
He needs help.
Come on, let's go get dinner. Let's go get food. Why do you think our comment sections don't like you?
Well, I have told them to fuck themselves multiple times. that might help.
It's a taco place. This is the strangest looking taco place I've ever seen. I think I'm gonna go with the treasure of Sierra Madre, the Argentinian boom boom shrimp.
Tropical shrimp and
Boom boom. Are you gonna get the Korean, JoJo?
hell no.
By the way, when you guys pop over to my Twitter to tweet me all your Christmas presents, make sure to go hit this photo with a like. Alright, so I think I went, yeah, bang bang shrimp, steak, and then fried chicken in a taco. It's legit a chicken finger in a taco. It's pure genius.
Have you seen his grandma's project?
You guys made the champion sit in the back?
Hey, put some respect on my name,
Really knows JoJo.
Hey, we pulling up with them sticks.
JoJo moving to the back and
Stand
he
up.
assumes that Dylan is also there.
Alright, see you guys back at the house. Yo, this speaker we got, it's actually dumb legit. It's so cool.
So as y'all can see, we're just monkeying around. Yup. Man's on his DIY shit. Where's Andy when you need him?
So I'm guessing the computer goes on the far side? Yeah. Oh, here it is. Where? On the left side.
On the left side?
Yeah, like right here. So like whatever it is, yeah, right there on the side.
Alright, so, by the way, that's a fucking bitchin' sweater you got there.
Thanks, man.
Alright, so we got the whole thing set up, except for when we put it together, we realized it's missing the power cable to power this, and then I didn't get like the lead to plug that amp into the output for this. So we have to go back to Guitar Center tomorrow. But nah, just in case you guys doubted our ability to put this thing together properly, we did it.
Let's go.
It looks fucking legit though, like the whole setup, like it totally looks fucking awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and get upstairs, edit this thing, and then just kick it with the homies before they have to head back towards Atlanta.
Smash that button!
Like it. And also turn notifications on. Everyone that switched over here from my vlog channel to my main channel, definitely go turn on notifications so you guys don't miss these videos. I know it's like a new channel for all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys.
To the end, I'ma ride with you. Mob and get money, get high with you.
Yeah.